generally accepted
generally accepted
by the master plumbing profession
by the master plumbing profession
in the Philippines.
in the Philippines,
And I will well
and I will well
and faithfully discharge
and faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties and obligations
the duties and obligations
incumbent upon
incumbent upon
a legally authorized master plumber's practice.
legally authorized master plumbers practice.
So help me God.